Okay, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the fireside chat of MBA department of Swami Vivekananda Group of Institutes. It is being jointly organized by HR Sampark, the People Group. Today, our guest of honor is Ms. Sital Junjolala. So she is an instructor and healer. She is specialized in panic healing applications for companies, supported by years of experience in working in companies and the businesses. She has a degree in finance from Wharton School of Business and is authorized trainer with World Pranic Healing Foundation, Institute of Inner Studies, Manila. So so a lot of profile because that's why I have to read it out because I cannot remember all those things. So thank you so much and welcome to our show. Thank you,
Thank you.
Shital, for our show. Yeah, coming to our show actually.
Thank you so much. I think it's a wonderful program. I saw a couple of the other fireside chats. So really nice initiative. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. So, I was just going through your profile. The term this pranic healing is
Yeah.
basically very new to me as well as the students. So it will be great if you can just explain that what is all about. What is the pranic healing is all about?
Sure. So I'll start with this. When you go to meet some people, sometimes do you feel good? And there's certain people you go to meet, or there are certain places that we go to, and we just feel miserable there. We just don't want to go. Suppose your friend says, "Asha, let's go there." You're like, "Ekhane jabo na, ichha nahi," right?
Right.
So the
Right.
reason
Right.
for that is because of energy level in that place, and also the quality of energy. So what pranic healing basically does is that it helps change that energy. That's one application of pranic healing. So if a place is negative or some of the people in that area are negative, then pranic healing can help change that. Pranic healing can also help with our own health. And to answer the question, what is pranic healing? Pranic healing is basically the way of removing dirty energy, diseased energy, used up energy, negative thoughts, emotions from somebody's aura and literally throwing them away. If there is some dirt on the floor, what do? We just sweep it, right? We just pick up the dirt and we put it in a dustbin. So we do that similarly at the energy level. So that's one process. The other is we put fresh energy into the chakra. So let's say, for example, someone has a lot of anger and they've been angry for a very long time. Now, once you remove the anger, then there is a gap there. So with pranic healing, we also fill that gap with love, with kindness, with patience, with affection. And that energy comes from the healer.
Okay.
So the healer removes any dirty energy, the healer puts in fresh energy. Of course, you can also do healing for yourself. But right now, I'm just explaining pranic healing from the context of somebody else doing healing for another person.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. So, is it applicable for the individuals or the corporate as well?
Yeah, so the individual definitely applicable for the individual at the physical level. If there are any health problems like migraine problems, especially for companies, when they have a lot of sick leave, people are taking a lot of sick leave, or people are so stressed. Sometimes they're stressed because of issues, sometimes they're stressed because of office issues. But either way, the stress level is very high. So when the stress level is very high, then obviously people find it difficult to be productive, and that is relevant for a company. So one is, of course, healing of the individual of whatever health issue they may have at the physical level or the emotional level. The other thing that I specialize in is basically healing for a company. So let's say, for example, you have a company. The human body has chakras. I'm sure you've heard of in yoga. There are chakras, right? So in pranic healing, we talk about 11 chakras compared to yoga, which talks about 7. So there are 11 major chakras that we work. Now, in pranic healing, the concept also is that a company, for example, is an entity. It's a legal entity. We all know that, right? If there's a company or a private limited company, these are legal entities. Now, these entities also have their own chakras. So what happens is in pranic healing, what we can do is if that a certain department is malfunctioning. So each of these departments control a certain chakra. For example, there's HR, there's production, there's planning, there's execution, there's all kinds of things. So each chakra actually controls a particular department of a company. So when I say pranic healing for business or pranic healing for company, what I'm basically saying is that we will heal that particular chakra. So let's say, for example, a company is having a lot of labor issues or, a lot of problems of coordination between certain departments, like two departments that need to talk to each other are not properly talking to each other. So pranic healing can help with healing some of that at the energy level. So the idea is that
Okay.
when you heal something at the energy level, it gradually manifests at the physical level. It's like the energy is a
Right.
mold. So we correct the
Great.
mold, and once the mold is clean and clear, then automatically the energy will physicalize. So if there's financial
Right.
problems, HR problems, like I said, production problems. I mean, I've solved
Hmm.
production problems for people,
Okay.
manufacturing process problems. Yeah. So the guy was like, "How are you going to do this?" And the beauty is, pranic healing is done distant. So it's not like I have to go to the company. I can just sit here in my home or in my office, and I can heal
Okay.
somebody's company, maybe in America.
Okay.
And
That's
he's like,
wonderful.
how will you, yeah, he's like, how will you sitting here in your pranic healing center, which happens to be in Baliganj place, how will you sitting here heal my company, which is, a factory somewhere,
Hmm.
and you're going to solve the manufacturing problems? Like, what do you know about manufacturing? Well, the beauty is that one, because I've worked so much in different industries, I do have an idea of manufacturing. So AI can guide
Hmm.
people at the physical level. At the energy level, we can send energy, we can understand what's happening at the energetic level, and we can clean and we can restore the energy level of that particular joint. So that's what we do.
Okay. That's
So that's
wonderful,
really,
actually. Uh-huh. So that
yeah, I have a lot
that
of
is
clients.
one of the right, right. I can understand actually. So that is very much essential in nowadays of the social distancing and this COVID-19 affected lockdown where the people cannot move physically. So this kind
Yes,
of consultation, the activities can be very useful for the corporate, I guess. So coming
yes,
from
yes.
this point, actually from this COVID-19 thing, do you think that this COVID-19 related issues can be solved by your techniques of pranic healing?
Yes, yes. We have solved, our team has solved about 4 cases of COVID-19 in 3 days, which basically means that the person was
Okay. Okay.
diagnosed and within 3 days the
Uh-huh.
COVID-19 was cleared. One was a
Okay.
70-year-old man with Parkinson's, hospitalized for a completely different process, but got COVID-19
Mhm.
and healed him. So yeah, at the physical level, COVID-19 can be cured with the help of pranic healing.
Mhm.
Of course, medical treatment is required. So it's not like
Okay.
we're only going to do healing. You still need to take medicines or do whatever the
Mhm.
doctor is saying. Next is a preventive,
Right.
because a lot of COVID-19 deaths are happening because of fear also. So like I
Right.
said, psychological healing can be done. So if you have someone who's
Right.
like so scared of COVID-19, doesn't want to come to work, we can do healing for them. And of
Okay.
course, there is the healing of the company itself. So I tell a lot of my clients is
Mhm.
like, yes, you can't go out, yes, your workers can't come in, but you can think of new ways of doing business. And some people have difficulty in that. They have a block. It's like, no, my business cannot be done in any other way. So what pranic
Right.
healing does, it also helps to clear those blockages. So we can clear financial
Okay.
blockages for a company, and we can clear even mental blockages. So what happens then is that the
Okay.
person is able to think of different ways of making money in the same business, or if they
Mhm.
need to change business, then when
Mhm.
you start taking pranic healing, new ideas start to come and the transition begins to happen. So let's say,
Okay.
for example, you're selling,
Okay.
I know somebody who's selling microgreens. Microgreens are like small plants,
Mhm.
nutritionally very, very good. So she was like, I don't know, I can't send them, blah, 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 blah. And then we're like, okay, take pranic healing. Maybe you can just use Swiggy Genie so
Mhm.
simple solutions. They're already there, but we just don't see them because we've got these, most of us have them. Okay. I do too in certain areas. We have these blinders on. You've seen the blinders on horses, right? That's to make them go in one direction. I don't know how many people have actually seen horses
Right.
here,
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
this
Right.
generation. But anyway, if
Mhm.
you have blinders on, so pranic healing also
Right.
helps to, remove those blinders or gradually make them wider so you can see more. And when you can see more, then you can find your own solutions. One thing I'd like to
Mhm.
add, Amitava, is that one beauty that I
Right.
feel with pranic healing is that
Uh-huh.
we try and enable the person to see for themselves. It's not like you're coming to a guru or a healer
Okay.
and the healer will tell you what to do and solve your life problem. That's not how pranic healing exactly functions. There is some of that. Obviously, I as a healer am going to give you some advice or give the person some advice. But it's also about helping people develop their own
Right.
discernment. So you don't, even if someone's taking healing from
Right.
us, we don't want them to take healing forever and ever. We want them to become strong physically, mentally,
Right.
emotionally, and then become independent. So we are really more in the business of helping people
Mhm.
become independent. So I just wanted to mention that point because that's really important to us as healers, is
Right.
to
Right.
make the
Right.
client.
Right. Right. Mhm. So that
And
that that
hopefully,
is required actually because of this. Mhm. Yeah,
and
please
hopefully our
carry on.
revenue continues. And hopefully our revenue continues because they send us references, not because they're continuing to be clients, but because they're sending clients. Does that make sense? Because see, everything has a business model. So I want to be clear. I don't want to leave
Right.
questions that okay, then how do they manage?
Right. Right. Definitely, definitely. So it's a good because of this stressful situation of the present, pandemic. Because most of the people and the companies would be requiring your services, I guess. Because a lot of people are going through a lot of stress and this kind of situation, they would be requiring healing because the people are, either they are having, losing their jobs or losing their businesses, losing their normal, the revenues earning actually, because of the lockdown. So they need some support actually, at least some mental support. This business process re-engineering is also required, that how they can earn differently. Like we can say that example of this Wow Momo. They are into the business of the Momo, but now they are into the business of delivering groceries. So they
Yes,
are also changing. So
exactly.
definitely the other companies definitely can also think of that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this kind of creative thinking
Right.
comes when you take pranic healing, or you learn pranic healing, or you do the meditation with
Right.
us. These are two simple tools that you can use. People can
Right.
use.
Right. So, is somehow related this pranic healing related to stress management, or rather, I would like to ask you that whether a little bit of stress is required for an human being to be productive.
I agree. Some amount of stress is required, but too much stress becomes disruptive for the body. The reason for that is
Mhm.
because a certain amount of stress causes our adrenal glands, which are located in our kidneys, to function properly. Okay, but
Mhm.
they are programmed, or they are produced to be at high levels only for a certain period. You can't keep something running. You can't keep a Ferrari running for more